Hey crafters, welcome to another episode of Craft Hits. On today's episode, we're going to be making a ice dragon slash snow dragon, keeping up with the theme of elemental dragons that I started. Please do let me know if you enjoyed this episode. And if you really enjoy this episode, I'd really appreciate if you hit that like button. It really does help out with the algorithm. But thank you so much for watching. Alright, so it's been a couple of days and our icy dragon is done. And I like the look of it overall. I think I did a pretty good job. I know there's a few minor flaws here and there, but I'm still definitely learning on how to match things out. But overall, I like the icy look of the spikes. It's got that nice little rough texture to it too. And then I just had to add this little purple flare up here just to give it a little bit more of a distinction, because I felt like if I just did this color of blue all the way through, it wouldn't be as memorable and distinct. I kind of like it a little bit better this way. So I hope that you guys like it too. And I thought it was pretty cute to have the him floating on the iceberg like this too. So I do plan on trying to do more of these little elemental dragons just like this. Maybe make a whole set. But I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this whole series, and if you do want to try making your own kind of projects just like this one, I'm going to link everything in the description below, so you'll be able to start your own projects if you want to, that I use. It's just my Amazon affiliate links if you want to check that out. But otherwise, I do hope that you guys have enjoyed watching again, and as always, hope you all have a wonderful day.